Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change address format for specific country in WooCommerce thank you page, email and my account. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in my account page and then you see billing address. So we are going to change format. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So this is address format for specific country like US, so you can add your country here. Then you see company, this is for line break, then name, line break, address 1, address 2. Then you see city, line break, state, so you can add field according to your requirement. Now I added company name, address, city, state, country, postcode. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to my account page. So this is our format. Now refresh the page. Now you see address format is changed. Now you see company name, then you see customer name, then street address 1 2, town, state, and then you see postcode. And you will find code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.